right, WWE, thank you. Let's see a continuation here. Spreads up to $1.50 that we bought for $1 yesterday. Not bad overnight. You know what? If we get a little bit more of a move here, I wouldn't mind taking a little bit off. So we will watch that very, very closely. eBay. This thing's a monster. This thing is a monster. I would love, in an ideal world, to sell the April 38.5 call. So we're long the April 37. I would love to sell the 38.5 somewhere around 40 to 45 cents. That to me would be worth turning our long call into a spread. Okay, so just giving you the heads up about what we might do to hedge that position right now.